Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ by AS YouTube channel. This video is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's video, we'll talk about national innovation on climate resilient agriculture. So why are we talking about NICRA? Well, recently the question was asked in Rajya Sabha regarding the progress of this project. And Minister of Agriculture responded in a written reply about the progress of this project. So from the exams perspective, we should have little idea about the background, objectives, and we should know about the developments which have taken place under this project. So this project was launched in 2011. And what is the objective behind this project? The main agenda behind this project is to mitigate the climate change impact on agriculture. Now, this project focuses on strategic research. Now, this research, it focuses on demonstration of technologies on farmers' fields, mitigating the climate change impact, and creating the awareness among farmers. So these are three areas where this research focuses upon. Now, there are some other objectives too. First, to develop crop varieties which are effective against climate change. Second, to develop the practices which are extremely effective and efficient against climate change. And third, analyzing the climate change impact on livestock, and then developing the plans or strategy, or we can call these strategy adaptation strategy, so that we can minimize the impact of climate change. Now, as far as the progress is concerned, then you must know that 7 climate change resilient varieties, crop varieties, have been developed so far. And besides this development, 650 district contingency plans have been developed too. Now, what are these contingency plans? Then you must know that these plans are technical documents, and these documents contain the information related to weather change, about flood, cyclones, heat waves, cold waves, etc. So these documents are extremely useful when it comes to climate change impact. Now, besides these developments, one important development that has taken place under this project is the development of state-of-the-art infrastructure. So state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities have been developed under this project by Indian Council of Agriculture Research. As a matter of fact, you must know that this project also was developed by Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Okay, so these are some facts that you must know, and if a question is asked in the mains regarding the impact of climate change on agriculture, you can certainly mention about this project. And from the prelims perspective, you can remember 4 or 5 facts. First, it was launched by Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Then it was launched in 2011. You must be aware of the objectives. We have discussed the objectives, that mitigation of climate change and developing crop varieties which are effective against climate change and awareness among farmers. So these are some objectives which you must be aware of. And besides that, just remember about the progress as well. Okay, and I'm providing the quality content in the PPT. You can download this PPT. You can use it for the revision purpose. So if you have liked our video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.